today I am going to solve one chemical reaction engineering problem. So here problem is for the following data, determine zero order fits the data best by performing the integral method. Also, what is the value of K including units for reaction zero order? You can use linear regression technique of your choice to demonstrate a variety of skill. Also use linear regression by MATLAB polyfit function, and to sum up least square in Excel for first order model. In an isothermal constant volume batch reactor, species A is isomerized to species B with following concentration time profile. So time is given in minute, time data are given, and CV corresponding time CV mole per liter, that data are given. Now so here I am solving what will be the K value for zero order reaction. So here zero order reaction. Now rate equation for product B. So here that A going to be isomerize and produce B. So that is for rate of reaction for product. So that is dCB by dt is equal to K Cb to the power n. So here dC by dt is actually rate. Rate constant is K. N is order of reaction. For zero order reaction, n is 0. Now if I put n is equal to 0, so that dCB by dt is equal to actually K. Now here dCB by dt is actually is equal to K. Now integrate above at t is equal to 0. So Cb will be Cb0 and t is equal to t, Cv is equal to Cb. Now if I integrate, so ultimately we will get Cb minus Cb0 is equal to Kt. Now we can write in that that Cb is equal to Kt plus Cb0. Now we can express this one. So first order model. First order means so y is equal to mx plus c. So that is straight line equation. Straight line equation. So that is first order model. First order model. So that we can write now here y is equal to nothing but Cv, x is nothing but t. So m is equal to k is equal to slope. So if we compare with these and these, so Cb is equal to y, k is equal to m or slope, and Cb0 is the intercept. So now here we have to find out by Excel as well as MATLAB polyfit function what is the value of k. So what will be the value of k? So that we have to find out. So now here I'm trying to do in Excel. Now Excel, so T data are given, Cb data are given. Okay, now if I plot, okay, so okay, fine. So now we can, from this data we can find out easily slope. So slope, and we can also find out intercept by using Excel inbuilt function intercept. Now how do we find out? So now that is equal. Okay, now if I write slope, okay, so it will give that, and then we have to put first known ys. So known ys is this, okay, and then comma, then known x's. Known x's is this. Okay, now close the first bracket. If we do that, we'll get the slope, that k. And what will be the intercept? Intercept is actually Cb0, so that will be actually Cb0. Okay, but as we are fitting the data, so we'll get that. So that will be intercept. Okay, similar way. So that will be first known y, and then known x means t. So if we do that, if we close the bracket, we'll get that intercept. Now so this is actually slope is nothing but k. Okay, so k value is 0.092. K value is nothing but 0.0927703. Now what will be the unit? Now here, so that is Cv unit is mole per liter, and time, and then k, so unit will be mole per liter per time. Okay, so that will be the unit. So mole per liter by time. So that is the unit. So K value is 0.092703. Now another way we can also do, we just plot this. We can plot this and we can also find out what will be the slope. Now plot, insert, then go to the plot and plot. Okay, so plot will be like that. Now as we have to find, so now chart design. So axis, so horizontal is your T and vertical will be primary vertical is CV. So if you draw that plot, so it will be like that. Now you have to feed that data to the first order model. So feed at the trend line. So now at trend line, okay, automatic, so set intercept and display equation. Okay, now if you see, okay, so now if you do that and display R, now if you see that here you will get similar slope and intercept. Okay, so now we can do that. Home, increase that. This is the equation. So here slope is 0. This is the slope we can write. So this is the slope. So 0. This is the slope and this is intercept. Okay, so whatever we got, that the same, and this is intercept. Okay, so now K, we got that K is nothing but 0.092703. okay, so that's why we can solve this problem. Okay, so for zero order reaction kinetics, so we can easily find out what will be the K value by Excel. Now MATLAB I will do. Please follow my next video.